The Technology Showcase is an event the Silicon Valley campus holds every year to show the innovative research and work of the students and faculty in classes and other activities. We are bringing in a panel of judges comprising alumni and researchers from local industry to look at the projects in terms of their innovation, the entrepreneurial spirit, and the quality of the work.
I was delighted by the energy and the creativity I'm seeing from the students today, and some really interesting things, some things that I could think about using myself. I was particularly impressed with the Hydra project, a hybrid CPU-GPU engine for voice recognition. It was a very ambitious project in terms of the problem space they're working in, real-time voice recognition, and they didn't just succeed in doing real-time, they actually got to about 20x real-time.
I want people can experience the really good speech recognition system, which is also very fast. Because of that, I decided to choose this research topics.
I think the judges recognized the challenges there and the new breakthroughs that we have made pushing the future of speech technology for human-computer interaction.
The Android Room Manager presentation was the best overall package. It was very nicely presented. It was very easy to understand. Even my kids who are with me could understand it. So, they were telling me, Papa, that's the best one.
Currently, there's a different system for reserving rooms at the university. You have to memorize an email address that's very difficult to memorize, and you have to do that for every single room. So my application actually puts all of this together into an easy-to-use interface and allows very quick reservation.
So this research is very important to us here at CMU Silicon Valley because it's a usable product that will actually become a part of our campus. It's something that we'll actually be deploying here in a matter of weeks.
I think the program has demonstrated a formula for getting students working on projects that are very relevant, the kinds of things going on in the Valley, and they've started to develop a real pipeline of talent that's now feeding these interesting Valley companies from the Silicon Valley directly as well as from the Pittsburgh campus.
Samsung is already working with lots of projects over here. Samsung is sponsoring some of the projects, and I can see that whatever CMU is researching, that's already feeding into the industry.
We let our students dive headfirst into these projects. Instead of giving them a traditional academic environment, we give them more of what a company would expect once they get out into the real world, and giving them that experience ultimately makes them better employees.
The most valuable thing I learned here at Carnegie Mellon was not how to write code, but rather how to work on software projects as a whole. There are many software processes that are very important to software projects that don't involve writing code, and I wasn't exposed to these during my undergraduate career. But here at CMU, it's part of every single course.